Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make another recipe that I haven't made before. And these are freezer dishes. I'm making 3 chicken dishes today. They'll all be uploaded together, and they all can be made as freezer dishes. Now, I'll tell you on this one when you would stop and you could go in and freeze it, but I'm cooking it. So this is a broccoli chicken casserole, and in here I've got 1 stick of butter, and yes, it's butter, and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and they're in here. And then I've got a cup of milk. This is 2% milk. I'm putting that in here. And 1 can of great value pieces and stems mushrooms. That's going in here. Alright. Stir this up really good. And I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of coarse ground black pepper. No, just one, about 1 1/2 of coarse ground black pepper. Alright, and then I've got 1 bag of great value broccoli florets that I'm going to put in here. Alright. And I'm going to stir all this up. Let this start heating up. And then I have a temptation dish that I'm going to spray with non-stick cooking spray. Alright. I'm going to stir all this broccoli and stuff up. And then I'm going to put, I've got 3 1/2 chicken breast that I cooked in my, I cooked a whole bunch of chicken breast in my pressure cooker today. And I'll have the recipe for that too. And that is going, all this chicken is going in this pot, pan, whatever you call it. Gosh, it's heavy. That bowl is so heavy. Alright, and now I'm going to go on. I've got my oven preheated to, well, it's already heated to 350. And I'm going to go on and put this in here. And let me get this in here, and I'll bring you back and show you what else I'm going to do. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've got all this in my casserole dish. And I've got 1 sleeve of Ritz Crackers. And I'm going to smash these Ritz Crackers and put them all on the top of this. And I'm going to cook this for about 45 minutes, just to make sure that it's heated all the way through. Alright. Well, spread them all on the top of it. And like I said, this is going in the oven now for 45 minutes on 350 degrees. And when it gets ready, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back with the chicken broccoli casserole. And this, as I told y'all, this is a freezer meal. And you can put I didn't put cheese on it, but you could have put cheese on this before you put the Ritz Crackers on. And melt it, and then put the Ritz Crackers on, and then froze it. And when you get ready to fix it, put it in your aluminum pan, and when you get ready to fix it, take it out of your freezer the night before and put it in your refrigerator. And then the next day, heat it up in your oven for 45 minutes to an hour on 350, just like I've done this. And let me show you, let me see if I can get over there and show you. There's the casserole dish of it, and then here is the plate, and I can't wait to taste this. I think it's going to be so good. The Ritz Crackers have come out like flaky, a little bit flaky, so I'm going to taste this and see what it tastes like. Oh, it's very hot. I thought it had cooled off, but it hasn't. So let me load this a minute. Oh my goodness. This is the best one so far of the 3 chicken dishes I made today. Wow. This is amazing. I still have the pulled chicken barbecue to go. So make sure you look out for all 3 of the videos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And below there'll be links to different things that you can purchase, such as the Power Pressure Cooker XL and other things. And there'll also be a link to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.